I just take 0.5. So today, or this week, we are starting out a new part of the project, which is that we're kicking off a podcast, which we've been working really hard with starting out. Not only that we've been starting out, but last week was a week where, for the last few weeks we've been working a lot, combined with expectations, combined with doubt that I was dealing with a lot last week. I had a really tough week last week, and now this week is starting out, and we're recording our first podcast episode, and we recorded the first one today, and already after the first one it's such a relief. And I think it's a lot, as I spoke about in the last vlog, about expectations, living up to the expectations you put on yourself, and that fact that sometimes expectations can harm the joy in what you do. Because I love what I do, but if you put too high expectations on the results, suddenly the joy within all the efforts are gone. And I know that for myself in the last week where I've been dealing with it, the thing I've been telling myself over and over again is that I'm doing this for the first time in my life, and the most important thing is that I just do it, because I will learn. I will do something that I've never done before. It's like doing a bungee jump or jumping from a plane the first time. You're gonna be nervous, but once you've done it 10, 20, 25 times, you're not gonna feel the same way anymore. And I'm lucky because I've been through these moments 100 times before, so I know it. But this is what's key. It's that even though you've been through it before and you know much better of how you're gonna handle it, you're still gonna feel the doubt, you're still gonna feel the expectations. You're still maybe gonna push yourself down a little bit, saying that this is not possible, but it is possible. And today I proved it to myself, and that's why it feels so fucking good, because I proved to myself that I did it. Now I've done it. It went much better than I ever could have expected, because I brought my expectations down, and I'm just super proud of myself, super happy and super pumped for this week. All that doubt that I had throughout last week is gone now. Now it's fueled with confidence. So sometimes when you have something that you're doubting yourself to do, you just have to jump out and do it. Doesn't matter the result, whether you make it or not make it. It's just the fact that you did it, and use that to boost your confidence to keep going. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Take care.
Okay. So now we are going to pick up some food, because the freezer is empty here. Our stomach is very hungry.
Yeah.
And it's important to not get hungry.
Hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Yeah. Yes. And now, how do I change view?
What do you mean view?
If I want to film that way.
You turn around the stick.
The stick? Whoa!
No, the best thing ever, the best decision I made a few months ago was to start using CDs, old classic CDs in the car instead of Spotify. I'm much less on my phone when I'm driving, ironically, because I'm recording right now, of course. But and I enjoy the music so much more, listening to the old good classics. Right now, picking up Peter Nagel for the podcast. We're gonna record a second episode of the podcast today. It's Thursday. Looking forward to it a lot. It's gonna be a great episode, a great story to dive into. This week have been hitting me with some really strong flu, so I'm really on the meds right now. But this is how it is. I just need to push through these days. Tomorrow, Friday, I have some good important meetings as well. And it's important to take care of your health, but some days you just gotta push it. And hopefully after tomorrow's meetings, I will be able to rest up and get 100% back on the horse, recovered again. All right. Okay, come on, take care. So finally done with all the podcast recording for this week. really good relief. I mean, doing something totally new for the first time, at whatever stage you're in your life, it will always be as uncomfortable. The only thing that you will have the experience knowing the feeling that you have afterwards. So it helps you be able to push through and do it because you have the proof already. But at the same time, when you're doing new things all the time, you're still gonna feel the same way. But that was really good. And also, I don't feel as sick anymore. Maybe it's because I'm on dope, because I took a lot of medicines before recording the podcast today. But now at least I have energy to do even more work today, get more things done, get back at it, because the last few days I've been out in fever and really feeling bad. So yeah, looking fucking. All right. A new day. I've started the day great, slept out a bit longer because I'm still quite sick, or feeling a bit sick, feeling much better though. However, a new day, Friday is here. We pushed through a good week. Tonight we're gonna take some time off finally, after hectic weeks with constant work all the time. And yeah, I mean, we're gonna enjoy the day. Now I've been having some good meetings this morning, and now I'm heading to meet one of my mentors. The mentor that asked me about my why for the first time, and introduced me to that concept, to understand why you do things and understand the deeper purpose of what you decide to pursue in your life. And yeah, we're gonna catch up. It's 6 months ago, a bit more than 6 months ago, since he asked me my why for the first time, and now I'm building this journey together with you guys, and to be able to make more people go for their dreams and understand their why. And yeah, this guy have had a great and positive impact on me, and yeah, looking forward to catch up with him and get some more advice on how I can move forward. That's really key, is to have the right people around you, have the right mentors, have the right people. Paddle time, activity time, finally celebration. This is how we celebrate a good week. Some activity. What are you doing here? Better than last time. Fun. Now I just want some cinnamon buns and chill this evening. But it's good. Everybody have worked super. Oh, thank you. Everybody have worked super good this week. I mean, all of us. So this is really relaxing and taking it easy to recover. It's good. Now rest up and new day tomorrow.
But if you look back and before your first podcast on Tuesday,
Yeah.
you had a lot of thoughts, and you just went into it all in. What was the difference between the first one and the second one? Because I assume that you also learned something or reflected on something between.
Yeah, I mean, obviously I felt different going into the second one, but I think the biggest thing is that when you're doing something that is totally new, you start doubting yourself if you can do it, just because it's uncomfortable. You've never done it before, you don't have any proof to the fact that if you can do it, and to what extent, how good can you do it. And so I would say the biggest difference is that when you just, as you said, like jump into it at 110%, when you just finish it, it doesn't matter how good or bad it is, you feel a bit like a Superman afterwards, because you get that small proof to yourself that I could beat all the doubt, and all that doubt created all that overthinking for a few days. But the cool thing is that even though I was doubtful and I was overthinking the days before the first one, I, from before in my life, have the proof of having that feeling and getting that Superman feeling of just proving it wrong and creating that proof to that you can do it. So, but what I think is cool, that even if you have kind of done it before, every time you do something totally new, you will still have that feeling. But of course you have that small proof in your head that, or you have the experience in the back of your head that it's just to jump 110% out in it, and then you will feel like a Superman. That's gonna be nice. But yeah, it's been a good week.
Yeah,
Thank you.
fantastic having you guys here, and you will be back in a few weeks, and then we will continue.
Yeah.